Hey guys, welcome back to the Hot Dog Game channel. Today, I'm going to be playing a game that I had for a while but didn't post it called Teardown. So it's just a game for those who do not know what it is. It's like a fighting game. I mean, not a fighting game. It's like a destroying game where you can break stuff and stuff are realistic. Cause look at this. I'll give you a demonstration like this. Look at that. I do So all like this, and like stuff like this, you won't see it if you play this game because these are mods. They're like mods, so they aren't like you won't start with those stuff. But yeah, I'll give you an early release for my next video. Probably gonna do um I'll give you a hint. It's like, it's a mystery game. Probably already guessed it, but well. I'm just gonna start playing this game. And yeah, having fun, I guess. And also there's this flying mod you won't have because it's also a mod. So yeah. Because look how realistic this is. Like this is, look at this. It's like real life, but like on the computer. Yeah, yeah, that's that. Yeah, so let's just destroy stuff, I guess. Oh, yeah, so, if you get this, it's like a mod, the physics gun. If you click R, you can, like, shoot stuff, and if you click, if you, right-click, it freezes in position, just like any other physics gun. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I get confusing things, like, you know. See, look at that. Look at the physics. Isn't it realistic? Like, look at this. Oh my god. More realistic than I thought. I can't, like, just continuously chuck this thing, chuck this, truck at this, building. They're like modes. I'm currently doing the sandbox mode. There is a campaign and a challenge that I kind of do rarely, but I mean, sandbox, you know, it's the best. It's the greatest. You can do whatever you want. See, watch this. You can even drive vehicles in this game. It's so realistic. See, oh, what? Okay, I'm stuck. This. You can literally just do anything. You can like drive right there, crash into things. It's cool with it. See, look at this. At this point, I'm just messing around to show you guys what physics look like. So yeah, that's chaos. You can also mess around to do that. Oh yeah, with this crane. Watch this. So apparently, you see on the bottom right, you can see all the controls and stuff. So let's do this. Look at that. I'm literally picking up the monster stuff. Oh no, like I can. The cool thing is that you can even. I didn't mean to do that. I think, yeah, dang, I already forgot what key you used to turn it around. Yeah, it was E. Let's just go but I will play another map, so I'm not just playing this. Oh, there goes my thingy. But like I was saying, you can do other maps. But anyways, you can do other maps. This is not the only one. So yeah, this game is available on Steam. It's available on anything else. Might be Steam. I think it's pretty long. I could be wrong, could cost money, but you have Steam. You can check out the pricing. Steam is only available on PC. So, stuck again. Oh, I don't want to get off the boat. Yeah, you can just drive it just like and just swim like that. So like push stuff. Just like dang it, this thing's stuck again. Ah, the grease is on it. Ooh. Okay. Now let's see what else we can do. You can also drive this boat. Take it for a ride. Just crash into things like that. Bit careful. Not so far. Because you could get it stuck. I'm just gonna ram into it. So immediately sinks. Oh, okay, well, the boat camera just can't. And yeah, I'm invisible on the outside. So, yeah. Oh, you can also use that boat. Too lazy to use it. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, no. What is going on? Oh no. Whoa. Oh god. Okay, well. Okay. Hey! Don't ditch me like that. Please tell me I can survive. I need it. No. It won't work. I have a tactic. Oh well. What is going on? Oh god. Yeah, that's what happened. Oh. Where'd the bug go? Bubba. Oh. Oh well. But you know what this map is like, so I'm gonna go to the main menu. The next city, not city, the next map is called, you know. Look at this. Oh god. Oop. I can't control it. Oh god. Oop. Oh no. Oh my god. Whoops. There goes somebody's flowers. Oh god. Okay, I'm really sorry for breaking stuff, I guess. I mean, not really since I'm doing it hands. What's this? Physics are so real. And the graphics too, they're like so smooth. Oh. Oh. That was my only hope. You good? Yeah, you did. Let's get out of here. I'm just driving because of... Watch this. Oh my god, what is happening? What the... Oh no, what is going on? What am I doing? Yo, I don't know what's going on. Oh my god. Oh, we have this big boat. Oh god. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. The lag is real. It's no joke. The lag is real. Like, oh, okay. Okay, the lag stopped. Watch this. You can literally do this. Be cool with it. You can literally just chuck it at it. Yeah. You can literally just throw this. Oh my god, and there's another big boat. Let me just refresh so I get more better frames, because my frames are dying right now. Yeah, there's another boat. There's another boat. Oh, I forgot what this is. Oh god, oh no. Okay, don't do that. What was that? Oh, right. I was gonna show you this. Yeah, it's a big yellow boat. Wait, what? Not much I can say. Look at that throw. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. The lag is real. No joke. I'm lagging. Oh god, is it really? Did it just go through this thing? No, it didn't. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, it's real. The lag is real. It's lag. Okay, let's see if I can fall on that bit. Yeah, just survive. Oh, doesn't look like it's gonna survive that. Okay. What if we do this? Oh, it's still up. Okay. There's no way it can be up like can't be up if it's like this. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? Oh my god. The frames are literally dying. What am I doing right now? What am I witnessing right now? At this point I'm doing it on purpose just because I'm doing it. Holy. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see a part Don't forget to like, sub, and I don't think anybody even subs. This is a small channel. I get no. I mean, Funtime Gaming Phone watches me. But anyways, see you in the see you tomorrow. Bye.